Welcome to the Vito Vasquez School of Music. Today I'm going to be teaching about pitch. If you're just starting out on the piano, I'd recommend watching 3 lessons. Lesson number 1, lesson number 2, and lesson number 3. The first one is lesson number 1, which is pitch, the one that you're on. The second lesson is about rhythm, and the third lesson is about fingering and reading. Okay, so here we have a set of notes, and notes tell us where things are on the piano, but I don't want to focus on that right now. I just want you to focus on the letters. So A is located here, B is located here, C is located here, D is over here, E is here, F is here, and G. So if we read all of the letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, we can see that those are like the alphabets. Except there's only one exception. We go to A all the way to G. These alphabets keep repeating over and over again on the piano, which makes the piano a little bit easier to understand. These notes are going high towards the ceiling, and these notes are going low towards the ground. Now this is a very important relationship to understand, so try to keep that in your mind as we go to the next clip. So remember the high and low concept from the previous clip? Well, that's going to be applied right now. So when we go high with the notes, we're going to go more towards the right on the piano. And if we go low with the notes, then we're going to go to the left side of the piano. And over here we have some notes. So these notes keep increasing upward. So we're going to go towards the right of the piano. Just keep on increasing. As the notes lower, we're going to go towards the left of the piano. We're just going to keep on decreasing. So right here we have an example of that relationship. Right here we can see where the notes are. If we go high towards the right of the piano. If we go low, we're going to go towards the left of the piano. Now that we know a little bit more about the notes, now we have to pay attention to the range on the piano. If you see this right cymbal bouncing up and down, that's called treble clef. Treble clef tells us the range on the piano from middle C, the thing that is circled in red, all the way to the right side of the piano. Now if we look at the left side, we have bass clef. That tells us that we go from middle C all the way to the left side of the piano. And these two are the ranges. Take this as a rule of thumb. This is not necessarily gospel. So here we have black keys. We're going to start with 2 black keys, which is located over here. Then 3 black keys. Then 2. Then 3, 2, and 3 again. So the reason why this is so important to understand is because we're able to identify our notes by using the black keys. So here, we're able to identify where C is because we can use the 2 black keys, go one to the left, and we see C, and we can find C throughout the whole piano. Over here, this C doesn't have two black keys, but it's still C. Another thing that's important to note here is the alphabets and how the alphabets keep repeating. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, over and over again. Over here we have middle C. Now, in order to identify where middle C is, we first must be able to identify C's. Then after that, we have to go to the middle of the piano to find middle C. And the reason why middle C is so important is because of the fact that it follows the range rule, because it deals with treble clef and bass clef.